In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Ecobee app on Android. By the end, you'll have the official Ecobee app safely installed and ready to help you manage your home from your phone. Before we start, make sure you have an Android device with an internet connection, either Wi-Fi or mobile data. You'll also want an Ecobee account and a compatible device like a smart thermostat so you can take full advantage of the app once it's installed. Let's begin with the download. On your Android phone, open the Google Play Store. This is the trusted place to get Android apps safely. At the top of the screen, tap the search bar and type Ecobee. You'll see a list of results. Look for the official app published by Ecobee Inc. Verifying the developer name helps ensure you're getting the real app and not a lookalike. Once you've found it, tap Install. The download will begin, and the progress bar will show you how it's going. If you're on mobile data, keep in mind it may use some of your data plan, so Wi-Fi is often the faster, more reliable choice. When the installation finishes, tap Open. That launches the app right away, and from here you can sign in with your Ecobee account. If you already have compatible Ecobee devices set up, the app will recognize them once you're signed in. If you don't see your devices yet, don't worry. Having the app installed is the first step, and you can complete device linking later from within the app. Now, a quick look at what the Ecobee app does for you. It lets you control your smart thermostat, cameras, and sensors directly from your phone, whether you're on the couch or across town. You can adjust temperatures, set schedules that match your routine, and create automations so your home runs efficiently without constant tweaking. The app also helps you monitor your home remotely with alerts and smart features, so you'll know if something needs attention, like a sudden temperature change. To recap, all you need is an Android phone with internet access, an Ecobee account, and at least one compatible Ecobee device to control. Downloading the app from the Google Play Store, confirming it's by Ecobee Inc., tapping Install, and then opening it will get you set up quickly and securely. Follow these steps and you'll be ready to manage comfort, security, and efficiency right from your Android device.